Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the startup repair on Dell laptop in Windows 11. So the first step is you need to go to start menu, go to setting. If you can't find setting icon in here, you can simply press Windows key and I on your keyboard. Once you're there, under the system section, in the right side menu, scroll down and go to recovery option and tap on under the advanced startup section, tap on restart now. Once you restart, you can see this kind of menu. In this menu you need to select troubleshoot option, then after go to advanced option and tap on startup repair. This will start a repairing process. It will take small time. Once it is done, you can try to restart your computer. So in the startup repair menu, you have to select your user account. Then after you need to enter your password and it will be diagnostic and repair your startup problems. So the next method is you have to use the Windows installation media to fix this issue. To do that, first you need to create Windows 11 installation media. There are several videos in my channel how to create Windows 11 bootable USB. You can watch that video. Once you create it, you can plug into your computer and boot using that USB drive. Once you boot the Windows 11 on your USB, you can see repair your computer option will be appear. Just tap on it. Then after the next window is like this, so you can select the troubleshoot option there, and then after again go to advanced options and again select the startup repair. So it will start the repairing process, and if it is not working, again you need to come to this menu. Then after select the troubleshoot option and go to advanced options. In here you need to select the system restore option. So it will check is there any restore point is available on your computer. If there is not, you can't restore, but if there is a restore point available in your computer, you can restore your computer to that particular date. So these are the methods you can try to fix the startup repair on Windows 11. And if you think this issue comes from the latest Windows update, you can again come to this menu and go to troubleshoot and go to advanced. Then after tap on uninstall updates. So you can select either it is a latest quality update or which update. Then after you can uninstall that update. And if none of those methods are not working, in this menu you need to reset this PC, and you can reset without deleting your file using keep my files option. So it will take small time and it will reset your computer onto the factory default setting. So these are the methods you can try to fix the startup repair on your Dell computer. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.